I'm going to show you one of the many different ways to release and decrease the pain coming from plantar fasciitis, okay? So you want to place the ball under that musculature that is almost behind the knee, but pay attention, do not place the peanut ball under or directly under the knee structures. So you want to find the painful spot first. So you want to apply pressure, and let's say, for example, this spot is giving me a pain up to 8. So you have to keep a mental record of this pain level. Pain level should be between 1 and 10. So 10 is extremely painful, and 5 is medium. So let's say, for example, that this pain level right here is an 8. So I want to remember before and after the self-treatment how it feels. I mean, how much pain decrease after doing these 3 different steps. So to help the foot to dorsiflex or simply to stretch these calf muscles. You want to hold the strap or the towel, and then you want to take, second step, you want to take pressure off the muscles in question, or the muscles where you feel the pain. So I'm taking, pressure off the ball, and before it was an 8, now it's a 5, maybe a 4. So I want to help the foot to create this dorsiflexion, and I'm going to breathe in maybe 2 or 3 times as I maintain contact between the ball and the muscle that was painful at the very beginning. I'm going to breathe in, I'm going to breathe out. You want to imagine breathing in as if oxygen and blood flow is flowing right there, and breathe out. And then I relax or take, that pressure off the strap. I want to go back. This is the third step. I want to go back and apply pressure again as I did at the very beginning. There I am applying pressure. Then I don't feel an 8. I mean, a pain level up to 8. I feel like maybe 5 now. So if that did decrease, good to go to the next painful or tender spot. So all you gotta do is move the ball to the next painful spot, and then you keep going all the way down, towards where it hurts. If you still feel the pain, then you repeat the same steps, and again you can repeat this same step a few times, maybe 2 or 3 times. If you have any comments, please drop them down below, and I hope you find good results with it. So please share and save it for following instructions. Thank you very much.